we have at least 10 names who have been associated with RSS at some point of time or the other.
Were these men accused of terrorizing Samjhauta Express, Ajmer Sharif and Mecca Masjid linked to RSS? Did the BJP know about its Dewas corporator Ramcharan Patel's involvement with Sunil Joshi? Patel has been arrested by Madhya Pradesh police for conspiring to kill Sunil Joshi, the alleged mastermind of right-wing terror cases. NIA investigation in Samjhauta shows all accused had a Sangh link. The mastermind, late Sunil Joshi, a RSS pracharak in Indore and Dewas, Joshi, as per the charge sheet, hashed the conspiracy to bomb Samjhauta, Ajmer and Mecca Masjid. The bomb makers, Sandeep Dange and Ramji Kalsangra, both Sangh pracharaks in Madhya Pradesh and Uttarakhand. NIA suspects that Dange, a qualified engineer, was the bomb maker for the group. Kalsangra, an electrician, trained others in a camp near Pune in 2004. NIA has announced a reward of 10 lakhs for the duo. The bomb planters, Lokesh Sharma, Kamal Chauhan, Rajinder Chaudhary and Ashwini Chauhan. Ashwini is still absconding and NIA has announced a reward of 5 lakhs.
18 February 2007, NIA says Kamal Chauhan and his co-accused came to the Delhi railway station and planted 4 suitcase-laden bomb in a stationary Samjhauta Express. The timer set to go off when the train reached Panipat.
Lokesh Sharma, Kamal's co-accused, was the Nagar Karwahak and Zilla Sharirik Pramukh of RSS Devghar and is a co-accused in Mecca Masjid and Ajmer Sharif blast too. Rajinder Chaudhary, RSS Varg Vistarak Indore, was arrested this month. Forensic evidence proves that the same kind of bomb was used in all 3 blasts. Testimony of shopkeepers who sold the suitcase to Joshi and Chauhan has also given the NIA's case a boost. Swami Asimanand, whose alleged confession gave NIA a much-needed lead in the case, ran Vanvasi Kalyan Sanstha in Gujarat's Dang district.
हो सकता है कोई एक व्यक्ति रहा हो जो संघ में आता जाता रहा हो, इस संभावना को नकारा नहीं जा सकता है, लेकिन उसके कारण एक इतने बड़े सोशियो कल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो कि विश्व का सबसे बड़ा एक वॉलंटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उसको डिफेम करना और बीजेपी को डिफेम करना कि इनके प्रशिक्षण शिविरों में आतंक की ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है, तो उठाकर हमको बिहाइंड बार क्यों नहीं कर देती है गवर्नमेंट?
Others, Devinder Gupta, Chandrasekhar Lurve and Mukesh Vasnani, arrested for Ajmer Sharif blasts, were working for RSS in Jamtara, Shahjahanpur and Godhra. But so far, no agency has charge-sheeted the Sangh for the acts of these men. Were these then just rogue elements within RSS, or will the interrogation of those arrested lead to more revelations? In New Delhi, Arunima.